Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to learn how to use linear pattern with the Propagate Visual Property method. It meaning if we adding a color property to any feature and when we're doing a pattern, so we want to transfer that property also. So usually when we're doing pattern, that property will not transfer. So for that cases, we have to choose Propagate Visual Property method. So let's see on the software how to do it. Here we have created this part body with the rectangular cut. I want to create this pattern of this rectangular cut and I want to transfer this color property to all the instance. So let's see how to do that. So we're going to select this extrude cut feature that we have to pattern. We'll go to linear pattern. Now here we'll specify the direction of pattern. So for that I select this edge and specify the distance between each object, that is 4.50, and the total count is 8. Now I'll go to second direction. We select the second direction with this edge and we'll change the direction. Now here specify the distance between is 10 and the total count is 2. Now here we have to choose Propagate Visual Property. If I'm not taking this option, let's see what happened. So we can see here there is no transfer of property happen. Now let's edit this linear pattern again and we'll choose here the option Propagate Visual Properties and do OK. So here we can see that the color property has been transferred to all the objects. So wherever we want to make this kind of object, we have to use this option. Thank you for watching this video.